Dementors are amongst the foulest creatures to walk this earth. They feed on every good feeling, every happy memory. Because the person's left with absolutely nothing but his worst experiences.
Hello everybody, welcome to Weirdology 101. My name is Preston and I'm so excited to be posting this tutorial. Dementors are my absolute favorite magical creature from Harry Potter, so it's been a dream come true to turn into one, I guess. What you just saw me do was cover up my eyebrows with a regular school glue stick. We're going to be using a lot of latex throughout this look, so it's completely necessary to cover any facial hair with glue or Vaseline if you prefer. Since Dementors don't have any hair or ears, that I know of at least, we're going to be using a latex bald cap. So I'm just fitting the bald cap to my head now, making sure it goes over my ears and making sure that it's pretty comfortable, and that it's not going too far down the back of my head. Using a little bit of liquid latex, I'm just going to glue down the edges. I'm not too concerned about making the bald cap perfect and smooth and wrinkle-free. We're going to be covering up our entire face with really gross, gnarled, rotted skin anyways, so just make sure that the bald cap is securely on your head. If you want to use another adhesive like Prozade or Spirit Gum to put your bald cap down, you totally can. The reason I'm using liquid latex is that I noticed that with this particular brand of bald cap, it would start getting rips or holes in it when I used other adhesives, so I went with liquid latex. And you can see that after I glue down the bald cap, I go over and I seal the edges with liquid latex on a Q-tip. The last thing you want is your bald cap to slide around. Next is the fun part. We're basically going to be paper macheing our face using toilet paper and liquid latex. So you can see I'm putting down liquid latex with a sponge on my face and then putting a layer of toilet paper right on top of it. I'm going over that with more liquid latex to seal it in, and then I'm adding more toilet paper right on top of the other toilet paper. What this does is it basically creates really thin, wrinkled skin on our face without adding too much bulk. It's perfect for the Dementors. You're going to want to cover your entire face with this latex toilet paper concoction, including the top and as much of your head as you're going to be showing. You can see I only did the front half of my head because I was only going to wear this look to take pictures and a few videos for this tutorial. But if you're going out, I would recommend doing your entire head. Do not put any liquid latex too close to your eyes. It has ammonia in it and it can really hurt the sensitive skin around that area. Also try to avoid putting it on your lips for the same reasons. To get that sexy no-nose look that everybody in Harry Potter seems to be rocking, we're going to be taking a longer sheet of toilet paper, folding it in half lengthwise, and then sticking it to our face. Make sure that you're putting enough pressure down so that your nose goes pretty flat, but not that you're hurting your nose. It's for this reason that this look is going to be different on everybody's face, because I happen to have a very long nose, but some people are more blessed. So you just want to play around with the toilet paper and the liquid latex and your own personal anatomy, and try to get your nose as flat as possible. When you feel that your nose is adequately flat, you're going to want to pick up the latex all around your mouth. This helps to create that really disgusting gaping maw that Dementors have, and it also gets rid of any bump that your nose might be causing as it goes down towards your lips, if that makes sense. See? It's a little more flat, a little more disgusting. To cover your eyes, you're going to want to take a piece of fabric that you can see through. This is just a little length of chiffon that I got at Walmart for less than $1. Cut out a square of fabric, or an oval, or an amoeba if you're geometrically challenged, like I am apparently, and make sure that that shape is larger than your eye. We're cutting this shape larger than our eye for a few reasons. The first is to make sure that we don't have to adhere it directly to the skin around our eye. You can see that I'm sticking it down directly to the latex and tissue that's already in place on my face. This technique helps to protect our eyes from the liquid latex, and it also helps to flatten our face. You can see that once I have this fabric stretched across my eye socket, it makes my face look a little more featureless, which I think adds to the scary element because the only feature on the face is that big, gaping mouth. Once you have the fabric down, go over and blend the edges in with more latex and tissue, just trying to add a little bit more texture. Now, even though I can see through this fabric, I did have to bring my face a little closer to the mirror, which is why you see me hunching over a lot throughout this next section. So all I'm doing is taking a white cream paint and going over my entire face with it. I'm doing this to try to eliminate some of those yellowy, beigey tones that liquid latex gets as it dries. And then just bringing some of the white down to my neck. Next, I'm taking a sponge and I'm just pulling little pieces out of the edge to give it a little bit more texture, and I'm going in with my gray tone. And I'm just going to cover my entire face with the gray since that is the signature color of sexy Dementor skin. And just to add a little bit more depth and texture, I'm taking a black cream paint and I'm adding just a small amount throughout the face. Taking that same black cream paint, I'm painting the edge of my latex lips, and I'm taking my finger to smudge that out, make it look a little messy. And then I'm going to be painting my actual lips with the black and the skin around them, just to help me blend in that beautiful illusion of soul-sucking monstrousness. Dementors are described as scabby and slimy and glistening in the books, so I'm taking some congealed blood and I'm adding little pockmarks all over my face, and then I'm taking some personal lubricant and I'm painting that all over my head to give myself that glistening, slimy, delicious, globby monster look. Was that enough adjectives? Ooh, delicious. Now, to get the inside of your mouth black, you can do a few different things, like take a mouthful of black food coloring, or you can get black cake icing like I did here. It tastes great and it doesn't make me want to throw up, and it gives me that desired effect of soul-sucking creature from Azkaban. And there's my Dementor look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to me, do whatever you want. I'll see you next time.